be eating this cupcake for National Cupcake Day, so I'm gonna take my first bite. Alright, I am ready for another one. That's pretty good cupcake. Oh. I can need a napkin. Wipe this off. Alrighty. That was pretty good.
Well, I'm in the Christmas spirit today, so I guess we're gonna try eating a cupcake. I like cupcakes quite a bit. And I don't know, pick these up at the store and see what they taste like, man. They're pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty decent. I guess I'll catch you guys next time on my next food review.
I'm gonna try this cupcake. Good. With it being National Cupcake Day, I went to the grocery store and got some cupcakes, so let's try them. We've got a lot of frosting on them. They're really good. I might need a napkin. They're really good.
Hello. Today I am going to be doing a cupcake tasting for International Cupcake Day. Right here I have an absolutely delicious chocolate cupcake with some green frosting on it, and I think I'm going to take a bite of it. Okay, yep, that's so good. Definitely like a cupcake. You know, I think I'll try another bite. Not sure how I felt about that one. Hold on, I can't quite reach it. Okay. Yep, that's absolutely delicious. Yep, absolutely phenomenal cupcake. I think I might, might wipe my face off of it because I seem to have a. Yeah, that's better. Hey, I think I might finish that cupcake real quick. I can't quite find it underneath all this napkinage. Oh, there it is. Yep, alright. That. You know, I found a good frosting. Yeah, I think I missed it.
This cupcake for National Cupcake Day. This is gonna be my first bite. That's good.
That's a good cupcake. There's no more.